Hello cuties, this is me Norin Fatma and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my DIY videos. तो आज की वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेके आई हूँ क्ले DIY। ये होममेड क्ले होगा टोटली जो मैंने खुद बनाया है। Before we start the video, please do subscribe my channel. It means a lot to me. So without wasting time, let's get started. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये क्ले मैंने खुद घर पे बनाया है। होममेड क्ले बनाना is just fun. Now make a ball and then make it into a round shape. Now you can use water to smooth out the edges and then let it for a few hours or a day. So it is all right. I am making coasters here. Now using acrylic paints, I'll start coloring on it. So for the first coaster, I use sky blue acrylic color. After it all dried, I start drawing on it using navy blue acrylic color. I am using toothpick instead of brush. So I am making random design on it like dots and lines use करके. Here I am done. You can go with any combination. So here I made another coaster. You can see this is also so beautiful. I absolutely love these coasters, you can see. And the combination is really good. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा navy blue और sky blue का combination. और ये भी I'll keep them in my home. So we are done with today's DIY. If you guys like my video, give this video a big thumbs up and wait for the next DIY.